Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Julia and I'm a Philadelphia-based flight attendant. I am so grateful to have you all here with me today. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I am very excited for this trip because my parents and my sister live on the other side of the country, but that is one of the biggest perks of my job is sometimes I get paid to fly to the destinations where my family lives, and this trip that I'm about to do honestly could not have worked out any better in terms of getting to see my fam, because I will have layovers in Salt Lake City and Las Vegas. My younger sister Alicia's birthday is coming up, so I figured since we're going to be able to see her on this trip, I would just pack her birthday gifts with me. Hopefully I'll be able to get all of this to fit in my suitcase. I do have the extender on, so it should be fine. I also got her this hiking backpack, which will be very useful this summer when we go on our annual sister trip, which we've already decided where we're going, but you guys will just have to stay tuned to find out where that is. I guess needing a hiking backpack is a little bit of a hint. Luna, you are all folded up like a pretzel right now, but you are so cute. My goodness. I can't remember if I told you guys this or not, but Eric and I have this king size bed that we share. And then, hello, Miss Luna. Down here, we have a twin size mattress, and we just got pillows to put around it and sheets. And so Luna has her own little bed right here. So she always like starts the night sleeping with us up here, and then she goes down here to sleep for the full night. And then in the morning, she comes back up for snuggles. But yes, Luna, I would say that the bed situation works out very well. You are spoiled, but that's okay because we love you and you deserve to be spoiled. Okay, so I need to get dressed into my uniform, finish packing up my stuff, and then head out the door. I'm actually leaving a little bit early for work today because today, the day that I'm filming this, is Friday the 13th. Chipotle is offering buy one, get one free from like an entree from 3 to 4 p.m. today only if you have a tattoo, which I have a few tattoos. This is the most like easy one that they'll be able to see. Eric does not have any tattoos though, so we're gonna have to go together and then he'll go home and I'll just go straight to work from there. So I'm gonna do all that and then I will catch up with you guys later. Okay, suitcase, I need you to close. I know I'm packing some extra stuff on this trip, but you can do it. I believe in you. Oh, that was not even bad. For some reason, I was thinking this would not close at all, but that was easy. Chipotle has been secured. I just got to the airport. I decided to do Princess Terminal parking today just because there was a lot of traffic on the way to the airport today, and I was expecting there to be some, but there was definitely more than I thought. So just to give myself some breathing room and so I wouldn't be like driving so stressed, I was like, I'm just gonna give myself the extra time and do terminal parking for this trip. But what's kind of funny is as soon as I got in here, I checked my phone and I saw a text message that my flight is delayed. So I possibly could have called crew scheduling and asked them to push back my sign-in if I was going to be late, considering we have the delay, but oh well, I'm already here. So I think what I'll do is I'll go into the crew room to eat my dinner. And I forgot to tell you guys what we're doing. So we have one flight today and we are going from Philadelphia to Salt Lake City, Utah. I just got to my hotel room. It is 11:24 p.m. Our flight was okay. It wasn't bad by any means, but it was 5 hours long. We had a headwind, so it definitely took longer than I was thinking that it would. And man, we just could not find a smooth ride tonight. Pretty much the whole flight, I would say, was light to moderate turbulence. Of course, we had like some patches here and there where it was pretty smooth, but for the most part, the seatbelt sign was on for definitely the majority of the flight. Thankfully, we were still able to get out and do a service and take care of all the passengers and whatnot. So like everything was fine, but yeah, it was just kind of a long and bumpy flight. With the time difference, we are 2 hours behind here in Salt Lake City than we are in Philadelphia. So right now it is 1:25 a.m. Philly time, what I'm used to. Yes, so it is definitely time to get ready for bed. I forgot to show you guys my hotel room. So we have these two beds right here, and then we have the TV and a desk over there. A full-length mirror. As you guys can tell, I am now in my pajamas, which by the way, day. Speaking of these pajamas, thank you so much to everyone who left such lovely comments on my last video about my pajamas. This is my favorite brand. They're called Room Service PJs. I will put a link to them in my video description box below from Amazon because I did find this brand on Amazon that's cheaper than the actual website itself, but the only thing is you don't get as much variety. Like, they don't have all of the options that they do on the website. So on the screen, I will link the actual website for these pajamas, not just the Amazon store that they have. These are seriously the most comfortable, cozy, wonderful, nice pajamas ever. They are worth every penny. I actually got this pair from Costco, which was significantly cheaper. So if you have a Costco membership and if you see these there, they are so worth it. You need to snag them. And then in here we have the bathroom, which, as you guys can tell, I have already got all of my stuff out and everything. We have the big mirror right here and the shower behind me. I'm gonna go to bed now and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. I just finished getting ready. It's 8:45 a.m. right now, so Alicia should be here, I think, in like 15 or 20 minutes to pick me up. This is the fit for the day. I have on my white jeans and this black long sleeve. It is currently 49 degrees Fahrenheit. There is a wind advisory. It is a little bit chilly out. I'm glad that I brought this comfy fuzzy coat also. So I am going to wear this, and then I need to get my purse together. I really just need my wallet, my room key, and to grab Alicia's presents, which it's kind of funny. So we're celebrating her birthday today, but if this video goes live when it's supposed to on March 20th, that is Alicia's actual birthday. So make sure you guys wish my little sister Alicia a happy birthday in the comments. I hope I can just get these presents to fit in my purse. This one definitely should be able to. Oh my gosh, they fit like perfectly in here. All right, and just like that, we are ready to go. For breakfast, Alicia and I went to this place called Oasis Cafe. We both really enjoyed the peaceful setting and ambiance the cafe provided. Alicia ordered a chai latte, and we had to laugh because it was probably the biggest latte we had ever seen. She also ordered some delicious and fluffy pancakes, and I went with an omelet with breakfast potatoes. Another thing we both really enjoyed is that the cafe is right next to a bookstore, so of course we had to stop in and check that out as well. I'm back in my hotel room now. I just finished getting ready for work. I have about half an hour until our pickup to go to the airport. We have 2 flights today. We are going from Salt Lake City to DFW, and then we go from DFW to Las Vegas. It was awesome getting to hang out with Alicia. Even though it was a short visit, it's definitely still worth it. I need to finish packing up my room, get my stuff together, and then go to work. One of my favorite things about the Salt Lake City airport is the gorgeous mountain views that you have all around. No matter the time of year, it is so beautiful. Our first flight to DFW was a little over 2 hours. I did not have a lot of time between getting off this flight and going to my next one, so I stopped at Maggiano's, which is across from gate C-17, and I really like how they have a grab and go section where you can get a hot pasta dish without having to sit down and wait for it. So I grabbed that, and then I had to quickly make my way over to the D terminal with all of my belongings. I just got on the plane and I am literally like out of breath because we came into C and then had to come all the way to D, like the lower D gates. And man, it is quite a hike to get here. Even though I was based here for 5 years, I still sometimes forget just how large the DFW airport is. But we still have 8 minutes until boarding starts, so I'm going to eat some of my dinner and then we will have this flight to Las Vegas. Just got to Vegas. My mom is on her way with Mr. Maximus to pick me up. You guys, I am a bit tired. I won't lie to you. It was kind of a long day today, and like both flights were really turbulent. At least on this one, about mid-flight, we found some smooth air. But man, it was a bit of a choppy day. We got here safe and sound, so that's all that matters. And now I get to see my mama and Mr. Max. My dad is at work, but I should get to see him tomorrow morning, so that's really nice too. Good morning, everyone. My dad just dropped me off at the airport. It was lovely getting to see my parents. It was obviously a super quick visit, but it's always so nice, you know, when I get to just pop in and see family on my trips. I am curious though, do any of you live here in Vegas, and are your allergies killing you? Because I feel like the pollen count is so high. My mom's allergies are really bothering her, and even just being here for the night, I can feel it too. Oh my gosh, spring in Vegas is brutal. But anyway, today is go home day. It's day 3 of the trip. We just have one flight today, and we are going from Las Vegas back home to Philadelphia. I have all my stuff with me. I'm ready to head inside. I would definitely like to grab a coffee and something to eat, because it's so interesting. Like, we take off at 10:30 in the morning, but then we land at like 6:30 at night. So it's totally wild when you're traveling across the country like that, because it's breakfast time here, but then it's going to be dinner by the time I land. It should be about a 5-hour flight, which means I definitely need to grab some food. I am treating myself to something new today. I am trying the iced caramel macchiato from Starbucks. I had a free cold foam, so I put the sweet vanilla cream cold foam on top. I kind of have to laugh at myself because I've been wanting to try a different coffee order from Starbucks just for fun, but I just get so comfortable with my brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso. I was like, I don't know if I want to try something new, but I just have to laugh at myself because it's like, I'll go to another country, I'll go out by myself, I'll go explore, I'll go on excursions, like I'll go do all of these things, but getting a different coffee order, I don't know, that's kind of where I draw the line. Oh, I'm silly sometimes. Okay, let's give it a try though. Okay, that's pretty good. That's not bad. I do feel like I need to mix it a little bit, but I will say, I do think I like my brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso more, but this isn't bad either. And it's good and fun to try new things. Before my flight home, I grabbed a sandwich from Port of Subs. This is by the D Gates. And then it was time to say see you later to Las Vegas and fly back to Philly. Okay, you guys, I made it to my car. Wow, what a trip. Honestly, that was a lot. So our flight here was pretty turbulent. We actually had to put the carts away mid-service because it was just way too bumpy to be out. And so we put the carts away, waited a while for the turbulence to subside, and then went back out to finish our service. But that flight felt very long, and I am very ready to be home now. It is Sunday night. I am very, very much looking forward to having the rest of the night to just chill and relax with Mr. Eric and Miss Luna. So I'm gonna sign off right now, and I will talk to you guys later. Sometimes we wish Luna would sleep up here on the bed with us, but also we love that she feels so comfortable and safe in her own little bed right here. That is just for her. She loves it. Yeah, she's tired. She's ready for bed. Whoa, it is absolutely pouring outside right now. I wonder if you guys were able to just now hear that thunder. Are you having a relaxing morning with this rain? I wanted to conclude today's video here, but you guys, I got my schedule for April and I am very, very excited about it. I have some awesome trips coming up, as well as an international trip that I picked up next week. So you guys will just have to stay tuned to find out where I'm going, but thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe because I would love to see you again in all of my future videos. I hope that you're having a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!